Pull straight up.
Gently roll it back and forth and see if it'll get out of that plug there.
What do you mean roll it back? Oh,
Like-
this.
Twist it.
Yeah,
pull.
twist it. Don't jerk on it though, because it'll break what's underneath it.
Yeah,
Wait,
gotta
didn't
go
y'all
straight up.
do the purple glue on you?
No, we haven't yet. That's why we have to fix it.
Oh.
So just don't
Nope,
go back
careful.
and forth like this.
Yeah,
No, that's
gentle,
what I'm trying to do.
but gently.
Yeah.
I'm trying to.
Can't you just pull straight up?
Even then, you gotta worry about that 90 underneath there. Oh, oh, it's moving a little bit. Move it gently, gently.
And just a little twist. Just a tiny little twist.
Sometimes just a little tap, tap.
There you go.
Oh, I forgot to turn it off first.
Oh shoot! I knew we forgot.
You did a good job, son. I knew you could do it.
Man, you're strong. They're really muscle. That boy's